Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on multiplying. Now the question asks us to multiply 2,671 times by 1,000, and you've got to write your answer in the box here, and this will give you 1 mark in the exam. Now your key facts are that when you're multiplying by 1,000, you need to move the digits 3 places to the left. So each of the digits of this number here, the ones column moves 3 places to the left, and each of these numbers move 3 places to the left. Remember in your place value holders of your ones, your tens, your hundreds, your thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and million. So have a go at doing this question. Press pause, get a pen and paper, write it down, work out the answer, and then press play when you've got your answer. Fantastic. So hopefully you have got your headings written out and you've written down the number 2,671 in the correct places. So from here we're going to look at each of the digits, and I'm going to start with the 2 in the thousands column, and I'm going to move it 3 places to the left. So it's going to go across 1, 2, 3. So the 2 is placed in the millions column. The 6 is going to move 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, and it goes here. And the 7 moves 3 places. 1, 2, 3, and the 1 moves 3. 1, 2, 3. In the gaps, you need to put zeros in to hold the place value, so we need to put zeros in the missing gaps. From here, this is your answer and you need to write it in the box. Remember to add the commas to help break up the number and to make it easier to read. So you've got 2,671,000, and these are the little commas. Remember, make sure they're not too big, otherwise they look like ones. Now, some children find it difficult to remember whether the numbers go into the left or the right. Think if you're multiplying, you're making the number bigger. So wherever you're starting, you're making the number bigger. So it has to go up. So it's going this direction if you're going bigger. And if you're going smaller, it goes the opposite direction. You're dividing, you go to the right and it gets smaller with the place values. Well done if you got that correct. Give yourself a big tick. Fantastic work. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 2,671 million for 1M, which means 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. Tell your friends. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.